nail-biting champs. Girls and boys championships could go down to the last race of the evening. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or if you're online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis. Also this evening, trooper shooting in St. Elizabeth leaves one dead. And the Prime Minister talks of infrastructural investments at commissioning ceremony in St. Mary. There's also Saturday Sports Special and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. I'll have the news in detail right after this break.